How to claim core in MetaMask wallet. Got core tokens to claim? Let's walk you through how to safely claim them in MetaMask. So to get started, first add the core blockchain to MetaMask. So click on this burger icon at the top right, select networks from here, and then click on this add a custom network. So this would allow you to add a custom network on your network list. So in here, simply paste the RPC URL of core and then go ahead and enter the chain ID 1116 and then select the network name and currency symbol. Once you're done with this, go ahead and click on the save button. Now once you have added it, go ahead and import the core token contract. So on a new tab, go ahead and visit the official core DAO claim page or D app. Connect your MetaMask wallet. So to do that, click on this add core network at the top right, and then MetaMask would pop up at the top left to add your core network to your MetaMask wallet. So once you have confirmed adding the core DEO network to your MetaMask wallet, you can go ahead and claim core. So this is the page where you'll usually find that option to claim core, but currently it is not available. So you should find a claim core button and approve the transaction in MetaMask so gas fees may apply, paid in core. Once confirmed, check your wallet under the core network. Your claim core token should now appear. So go ahead and open MetaMask. So under the tokens, you should be able to find your core balance that you've claimed from Core DAO. And that's how you claim core in MetaMask.